Hello, I am Rajneesh Kumar, your technical expert advisor. I cordially welcome you to the Eastman Technical Masterclass. Eastman Group was established in 1970 and in today's time it is a well-known name in power generation equipment. We have two world-class R&D and manufacturing facilities which are spread over an area of approximately 210,000 square feet. Our company is ISO 9001-2015, ISO 14001-2015 and OSAS 45001-2018 certified that meets the standards as prescribed by the international quality. With our manufacturing excellence and years of extensive R&D experience, we have created one such battery with high capacity in this segment, which also provides high warranty as well as high efficiency. Come, now I'm going to tell you about our hero product, which is in the Diamond series EM300D. So now, let me tell you about our complete product range. Our Eastman company has developed a battery for every requirement with highest capacity, highest warranty, as well as long-lasting backup for customers' peace. We have 3 series of batteries available: Regular Series, Smart Series, and Diamond Series. The tagline of our Eastman battery is the wise choice. So come, now let me tell you about the key features of our reliable Eastman batteries. Our first key feature is low cost of ownership. In this segment, compared to other brands, our battery maintenance cost is the lowest. If we calculate according to 5 rupees per unit, then our battery in just 1 month saves 30 units of electricity, which will save 9,000 rupees in 5 years. If it runs according to the water top-up frequency of 6 months, then our battery will save 1,500 rupees in just 5 years. Due to the high recycle value of our batteries, you will get back 40% of the amount that you have spent in your starting or initial stage. Our next key feature is low water loss. In our battery, we've used the best additives and superior raw materials so that the water loss in our batteries comes out to be very less. With that, you do not have to do water topping again and again, and your maintenance cost will also be saved. Our next key feature is easy recovery after idle period. Our high-quality inverter battery recovers smoothly and easily from its idle period, and if you do not use the battery for 3 full months, then after charging you will get the same backup as in the first cycle. Our next key feature is lowest electricity consumption while recharging. Our inverter battery consumes less power during battery charging and saves up to 1.5 units of electricity compared to our competitors. Our inverter battery pays for itself over the course of its entire life cycle. Our next key feature is less fume generation. Our inverter battery is completely eco-friendly. Our inverter battery consumes less electricity, and at the same time, by the use of path-breaking technology, it creates very less fumes, due to which the health hazard issue is reduced to a great extent, proving to be very safe. All these features make our inverter battery suitable for home use completely. Our inverter battery is equipped with ceramic vent plugs with AquaTrap technology, which is for significantly reducing the gas emissions. Our next key feature is 5% extra capacity with respect to rated capacity. Against our competitors, our inverter battery provides 5% extra backup over its suggested rated capacity. This enables you to enjoy additional backup every day during long power cuts to give you more electricity. So now I will tell you about the do's and don'ts of our inverter battery. Always clean the battery with a cotton cloth which is completely dry, and at your battery terminals you should check for sulfation. If any, then clean it with hot water and apply petroleum jelly. The charging voltage of your inverter should be always up to 14.4 volts. Always check the electrolyte level of your battery with the help of a float water level indicator. If the electrolyte level is above the green mark, then water top-up is not required. If the electrolyte level is below the red mark, then top up the water immediately, then and there. Always use demineralized water, which increases the life of your inverter battery. Always use recommended inverter only. Always use recommended inverter wire for connection, which should be of minimum 10 square meters. which is very necessary. If you accidentally get acid in your eyes, immediately wash your eyes with water and then contact to the doctor. Always keep the battery away from fire, smoke and out of reach of children. Always tighten the fastener with a washer only. Before using the battery, check that the battery is fully charged so that you can get better performance from it. The distance between your inverter and battery should not be more than 1 meter. Never clean your battery with silk or synthetic cloth. There is a risk of spark in that case. Do not keep any kind of metal or tool on top of the battery. In case of sulfation, don't just clean the terminals of your battery with a cloth and water. Don't just do that. If the level of electrolyte is said to be below the red mark, then do not use the battery because it affects the life of your battery. Never use normal tap water for battery water top-up. It will increase the iron content in your battery. Never use non-recommended inverters at all. Do not keep the battery where there is no proper air circulation. It increases the risk of a battery blast. Never use wire less than 10 square mm and never use non-recommended wire such as aluminum in your inverter. Do not wear any ring or wristwatch during connection, installation and maintenance of the battery at all. Do not over-tighten the fastener because it may cause terminal crack. Thank you very much for staying connected with our technical masterclass. I hope that the information given by us will be very useful. Please like and share this video as much as possible and subscribe to our YouTube channel.
Eastman